guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yami D here, and today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul and also an Ulta haul, because Ulta also have like great deals and stuff. So, and it's also, there's a lot of like noise going on and I'm not appreciating it. This is also going to be a giveaway video, so if you guys want to see what you have to do to join the giveaway, make sure you guys continue watching until the end. We're going to start off with Ulta. I got a lot of things from Ulta, I would say. So the first thing that I got from Ulta is the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Everyday Essential Brushes. So it comes with 4 brushes and a beauty blender. So the first brush is their 400 blush brush, and it's just a tapered fluffy brush. I really love Real Techniques brushes because they're really soft, and I feel like it's easy to wash and clean because the head of the brush doesn't come off, and I just love how this feels. Like, it feels really soft. And it also comes with a 200 brush, which is like their foundation brush, and I already have one like this, but it comes with a set and I really needed more brushes. So the last 2 brushes are their 402 brush, which is their setting brush, and the 300 brush, which is their deluxe crease brush. So definitely needed smaller brushes like this. I definitely want to get into eyeshadow more, so I'm gonna pick up more of their brushes because I feel like this is like some good quality brushes. And then the last thing in the set is their Real Techniques sponge brush. I only use beauty blenders, but beauty blenders is getting really, well, not getting, beauty blenders is expensive. Like, it's $20 for a beauty blender. So I just thought this was something great that was part of their kit, and the kit was only $20, so that was a plus. And then also they had a buy one get one half off, so of course I picked up another brush, and this is their cheek 405 brush, and it just looks like this. Like I said, very good quality and it's great to wash. So the next thing that I picked up from Ulta is Becca's Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector Primer. I believe I got the biggest size because I usually only get the smaller size, but I'm forever running out of primer. And I really like Becca's primer because I feel like it does the job on mattifying your face, and I love a matte face. So this is the primer that I got. So the last 2 things that I got from Ulta is ColourPop's No Filter Concealer. I got 2 of them, one in the shade Dark 40 and the other one in the shade Light 18. And this is what Dark 40 looks like. Definitely something I use to conceal with. It's a very light shade. So like I said, something that I can use as a concealer. And then Light 18. So this is Light 18 and this is Dark 40. So Light 18 is definitely something I'm going to use if I wanted to light up my concealer a little bit, or if I wanted to use for eyeshadow, because I know if you want your eyeshadow to pop, it's definitely best to use a light concealer if you're not using an eyeshadow primer, and I don't use eyeshadow primer. So next is Sephora. So the first thing I got from Sephora is a beauty blender. A beauty blender is like literally the first thing I always grab when I decide I need to buy some makeup, because I always need a new beauty blender. My beauty blender is like disgustingly dirty, so I definitely needed a new one. And then the next thing that I got is Buxom Full On Lip Cream Lip Plumper in the shade Hot Toddy. This is definitely one of my favorite lip gloss, because this is something I keep going back to. I feel like it makes my lips get darker because of the formula in it, but I just love the way that it makes my lips plump. Like, this lip plumper really works, and it has a really nice smell. It smells like peppermint, and then it also has a great taste. But this is basically what it looks like. Definitely a great shade for dark skin. It has like a subtle pink tone to it, but yeah, I really love this lip gloss. The next thing I got is a NARS blush, and I got it in the shade Torrid, and this is basically what it looks like. Just a very pink kind of tone blush, and it also has like gold shimmers to it. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see how it looks like on the back of my hand. It's like a coral kind of blush with like gold reflex. I definitely do want to start wearing a blush more because I just like how it looks on me. So the last thing that I got from Sephora is Fenty's Beauty Warmth Bronzer, and I got it in the shade Mocha Mami. And this is basically what it looks like chocolate kind of bronzer. I don't feel like it's something I can use to like contour my face because it does have like a red kind of tone to it. So I will probably just use this as blush, but I really do like the color of it. So on to the giveaway. I picked up a few things from Sephora to give to one lucky winner just for thanking you guys on supporting me and helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. This video is long overdue and I don't want to wait too long, so I definitely want to hurry up and get this video out for you guys. So the first thing that the giveaway will be winning is Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Definitely one of my favorites setting spray to use. And then the next thing I'll be giving away is Milk Makeup Hydrating Grip Primer. I heard a lot of good things about this primer. I haven't tried it myself, but I heard a lot of people talk highly of this primer. So I'm going to give away this to one lucky winner. And the next thing I'm going to give away is Too Faced Born This Way Setting Powder in the color Translucent. So anyone who wins this giveaway can use this powder. And then the last thing I'm gonna give away is Lily Lashes in the style My Cojones, and this is a really good pair of lashes. You can use this up to 25 times. So I definitely want to be giving it away to someone who has been supporting me from the long run. So the giveaway rules are you definitely have to be subscribed to my channel, also like this video and follow me on Instagram, and comment down below your Instagram name as well and your favorite makeup brand. This giveaway will be going on for 2 weeks. I will list the deadline of the giveaway down in my description bar below. Also, all the rules you have to do to be entered to this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for everything. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You got it, girl. You got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you